we're here already at 757 Hot Pot located in Virginia Beach. So we're gonna do both the hot pot soup and also the barbecue. So watch out later, man, because so we cook and we eat, okay? Yes. So my amigos and amigas, we're going to do our sauce. I mean, my husband will do the saucing. So this is the VIP room, my amigos and amigas. Is for a large crowd or for a family event. So it's very nice. So this one and the other one is there, okay? So my amigos and amigas, I ordered the hot pot is the beef butter, this one. And also we cannot forget to cook the mushroom, it's here, and the pork blood, my favorite, this one. And also the mussel and octopus. See? It's very yummy. Okay. And lastly, this is the pork liver and fish and the fish roll. Yeah. So let's start, my amigos and amigas. And by the way, the sauce that we made a while ago is before you start, you have to mix it. Okay? This one, mix it. Okay. So let's start. So this one, I'm gonna taste it. The best. Okay, so let's start, my amigos and amigas. for inviting us and for making a vlog and review to your hot
Okay,
pot.
thank you.
So if
Okay.
you want to visit the Hot Pot 757 here in Virginia Beach, just go here, and you can also meet the owner, the director, Mr. David Lee.
Okay, thank you. I see you.
We're finishing eating at Hot Pot 757 here at Virginia Beach. The food is really amazing. I can say 10 out of 10. The staff are great. It's very heartwarming and welcoming. So if you want
Hot Pot 757.
my amigos and amigas, I really enjoyed eating at the Hot Pot 757 located at the Hilltop Shopping Square, Virginia Beach. So come and visit. So my amigos and amigas, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me!